Yo! What's up guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, I'm gonna show you, mag-unbox tayo ng crane ko for using for my vlog or something, videography or short film. So, let's do it. Intro.
To be young and in love in New York City. Do not know who I am, but still know that I'm good long as you're here with me. To be drunk and in love in New York City. And that into morning coffee, running through the hours talking. Damn, I like me better when I'm with you.
So ayun guys, naglagay tayo ng upuan para just in case na ilagay ko dito yung stand ng crane. So let's do it. It's right here. So I buy this in the Amazon. It's called a ZHIYUN Crane Plus, a 3-axis intelligence stabilizer. It's right here. So yan guys, so ito siya, 2.5 kilograms. Medyo mabigat siya. Man, hindi ko pa siya nabubuksan eh. So let's try first, but I'm gonna read this first for you guys. And here, it's a camera control capability, POV mode, unlimited 360 rotation. That's cool, I think. Yeah. So let's open it this and let's see what inside it is. So guys, wow, ang ganda ng box niya. May case, parang suitcase. Kailangan? Oh. So ayan guys. So guys, let's try to open it. Oh shit. And guys, so let's try to open it now. So yun guys, ito siya, ito yung laman niya. Maganda, meron siyang foam for protected for equipments. And there's a, what do you call this one? Like a form or a guidelines or a manual. Yes, it's a user guide. And once na binili niyo siya, meron siyang guide talaga. Every time na meron kayong mga gadgets na meron siya always na mga guidelines for how to use this crane. So dito siya nakalagay. Is-isay natin. So meron siya din anti-slip tape. So pwede mo siyang ilagay sa, di ko alam kung saan kasi first time ko lang bubuksan. So maybe sa handle to para every time na hawak mo yung crane, hindi siya madulas. So hindi ko siya open kasi hindi ko muna siya gagamitin na for my vlog kasi meron akong Gorillapod. So yan guys, let's start for the ano kayang first? Charger. So yun, ito yung charger niya at meron siyang battery here, a double battery. This one is a charger and this one is the battery for the ZHIYUN. So itong ZHIYUN pala is like you need to charge it before you use it. So dalawang battery niya. So here first think this one, I think this one is the handle. Medyo mabigat na siya kahit isang handle lang. So what the So So let's pull this. Oh no, I think it's this one first. The cord for using your camera to plug in here. I mean, I think in the laptop. You should put it here at the laptop in your camera. And there's meron din siyang wirings for Sony. I think Sony. I don't know how to use it. I think Sony to ZHIYUN rather. Maybe let's check it out. So for Sony wirings, a cord, and for Panasonic cord.
What the?
So dumating si Jeff, sabi niya dumating na yung package ko. Sorry for interruption. So meron siyang screw or lock for ZHIYUN, and let's try to figure out later. And meron siyang, I think, handle ng lens in here para hindi siya magasgas every time na I think magbe-bend pababa yung camera, na pwede mo siyang ipatong dito yung lens mo para fit na fit. So yeah, so there's a steel foam. It's new. I'm gonna remove it so you can see it. There is like a tripod, like you just like put in here. If you have doing some short film, or you want to take a picture for yourself that no one's gonna take a picture for you, you can use it for your own. You can do it by cell phone, because my camera was wireless, so I can still connect it to my phone, to my camera once I'm taking a picture for it. So the best to. So ito na yung mismong body niya. So ito yung body niya. So I think medyo mabigat siya. Ayun. Look at the case. It's beautiful, right? Ayun. Mura lang to. Ayun. So guys, ito lang ang technique ko once na bumibili ako ng mga gadgets. Bumibili ako ng mga money-wise. Parang titingnan mo yung mga reviews kung kailan discounted, kung kailan yung holiday na araw na mura sa kanya, mura yung day. So nabili ko siya prime day niya, so mura siya. Dati siyang $650, but nabili ko siya ng like 400. So nakalas ako ng $200. So I think this is it. There's an analog. I think you can control it to, like, you're gonna want to have a rotation on it, and I think there's a mode. I just read it that there's a mode that you can turn to left and right. If you're gonna click twice, it's just like moving upside down. Yeah. So I think there's a mode too, like if you want your camera focused on yourself, you just like push this button, and you're doing some vlogging in here, and then the camera won't move. So if you press the mode again, it says like there's like a three press, like ano ba yun? First button left and right, second button upside down, and maybe yung second button then na hindi siya gagalaw yung camera. So nakatutok lang sa face mo. So yun. So pag gusto mo naman ibalik, na gusto mong igalaw-igalaw, so like nag-film ka, just like doing this, and then you just need to control it in the analog. So yeah. So there's like you just need to click it, so it's like this one is turned on and off too, I think. So let's try to figure it out. That's right. So I'm gonna put the battery here, the 2 battery. I don't know how to put it, like down, like positive first or negative. Won't say. No, but let's try it. Yeah. So this. So I need to screw it up. Oh shit. Alright, it's locked. So I'm gonna try to put it the tripod so it can stand here. There's another screw here. That's long. Can you imagine it? You see this? Damn. So let's try to make it stand here. So yun. Yun guys. Nakompleto na natin siya. So ito yung ZHIYUN Crane Plus na pwede mong gamitin pag short film, and sa sobrang stabilizer din niya. So tinatawag siya parang gimbal. So once na meron ka nito, you can do it by short film without the like your sometimes you're making a vlog, right? Like you just do this and you just like making a moves, but if you're gonna use this, there's no movement. So it's like stabilizer. That's perfect. I just read in the reviews in the YouTube so you can check it out. So let's try to open it, and then I just watch in the YouTube. Don't open it without the camera. I don't know why. Maybe it's gonna be broken if there's no camera here. So I don't know. Maybe let's check it out if they're gonna broke or not. But let's see. So I'm gonna press the turn on and off. Damn, there's no battery. there's no power. Jeez. Oh, that's what happened. So I think when I order it, there's no power in it first, or maybe I just put a wrong place for battery. Epic fail. Let's see. This is gonna work. So guys, papakita ko sa inyo na kung gaano kaganda yung stabilizer. I-comparison ko yung Gorillapod ko while using outside. So I'm gonna use this one. I'm gonna use the Gorillapod first, and let's see. And I'm gonna use this. So yun, mali ako ng lagay. Mali ako ng lagay ng battery. So let's try this first. Baka masira, pero let's check it out. Risk 50-50 if they gonna work or they gonna broken. Just para sa inyo guys, para makita nyo. So I'm gonna turn this on. You see it? Oops. Oh shit. Maybe I should stop it. But that's why I think that's why they tell me in YouTube, don't open it without a camera. So, ang tigas ng ulo ko. Narinig yun naman yung ganun. So, they need to, I think, kailangan nila ng camera here para ma-balance. Pero, na tingnan ko sa YouTube kung paano siya i-balance, mahirap siya. So, you need to adjust it here, like this. So you need to lock it, and this thing. So kung gaano kalaki yung camera nyo, pwede nyo i-adjust paharap para mag-balance talaga siya. Pero sobrang hirap nyo i-balance kasi nakaganon siya. So paano ba? Ayun, ganyan. So ito, alam ko sa gilid to eh. Paano ba? Ayan. So ayan, tama na tayo. So hindi ko alam to siya kasi nag-unbox lang tayo kung gaano kaganda tong gimbal na in-order ko sa Amazon. So ganyan yung form niya. Andito yung camera. So if you're gonna put this camera here, you need to there's a like a sukat. Ano English dun? Sukat dito para may balance niya. Tapos meron siyang screw dito. Yung camera mo ilalagay mo dito yung screw ilalagay dito para may-lock mo sa ilalim ng camera mo. So tatanggalin mo ata ito. Ayun. So meron siyang lock na pwede mong ilipat siya pa kung saan magbabalance yung camera mo. So you need to rotate this, and I think this one is you can put the clip on your lens is here. Maybe here. That's it. Dito. So yun guys. So ito yung gimbal na binili ko for short film, and I hope na sana gumana siya pag may chance na akong gumawa ng mga short film like Coron, mga beautiful places, bahala na. So pero yung gagamitin ko for vlogging is sa Gorillapod kasi hindi siya medyo hassle. Kung i-compare ko once sa vlogger, you can use this, but it's so heavy. I think it's 2.5 kilograms. So mabigat siya. Every time na ganun ka, medyo mabigat, nakakangalay. Yung Gorillapod nga lang, nakakangalay. Ito pa kaya 2.5 kilograms. So ayun guys, maganda siya. Para sa akin, yung reviews niya, okay siya. Maganda siya talaga. So, kung ikaw na nga. So, ikaw na nga, kung gusto mong mag-short film, kung ayaw mo mangarag-ngarag yung camera mo once like you're just doing some Gorillapod, just like you're making your a short film na mas okay, gamitin mo yung gimbal. I recommend it, strongly recommended for you. So, guys, if you are making a short film, buy this. I'm sure you're gonna love it. Yeah, because I read all of the YouTube in using the ZHIYUN crane. It's perfect. It's perfect, man. So now I'm gonna show you how it works, and I'm gonna tell you what is the comparison about my Gorillapod and my ZHIYUN crane 2. But first, if I'm gonna use the Gorillapod, I need to put my camera here. So medyo matagal siyang i-balance kasi medyo mahirap to, like 5 minutes bago mo maayos kasi kailangan mo i-adjust dito, kailangan mo i-adjust din dito. So kailangan mo lahat adjustment. So kailangan naka-perfect siya, parang nakalutang siya dito. Parang gantong place. So yun guys, let's check it out. So bam. Andito tayo sa labas ngayon. Chine-check natin kung ano yung mas magandang stabilizer ng camera ko. So I'm using Gorillapod. So tinan nyo yung galaw ko. Every time na nagwo-walk ako, gumagalaw siya, right? Parang nagle-left or right or medyo rotation. Medyo hindi siya stabilizer once na naglalakad ako. So ngayon, ipapakita ko sa inyo yung ZHIYUN Crane Plus, kung gaano kaganda yung ZHIYUN ng stabilizer. Tingnan mo, naglalakad ako. Yan, so let's see, like tumalon tayo. Hello, jump! So yun, tumatalon din yung camera. So yun guys, ito yung gamit ko ngayon, yung Gorillapod ko. So let's check the ZHIYUN Crane Plus kung gaano kaganda yung stabilizer niya, even though tumatalon ako. So let's check it out. Gamit ko na yung gimbal, yung ZHIYUN Crane Plus ko. Tingnan nyo yung difference habang naglalakad ako. So kanina medyo walang stabilizer. Ngayon habang naglalakad ako, medyo mabigat. Medyo mabigat guys, kasi isang gamit lang yung kamay ko. So makikita nyo yung stabilizer kung gaano kaganda. Kanina yung gamit ko Gorillapod. So wala, tingnan nyo yung difference. Kung di ba naglalakad akong ganun. So andito tayo sa spot kung nung tumalon ako. So let's try na tumalon tayo kung gaano kaganda yung stabilizer. Yeah! Parang tanga lang eh. So ayun guys, kayo na ang humusga kung ano yung maganda. Gorillapod, kung Gorillapod mas maganda siya for vlogging. Ang ZHIYUN maganda siya short film, pwede siya pang vlog, kaso mabigat siya. So kailangan mo ng muscle. So ayun guys, napagod ako. Ayun guys, so kayo na bahala. So ang pinakamagandang short film dito is the ZHIYUN Crane Plus. Kung vlogging naman, kung gusto mo maggumaga ng ganun pa, so piliin mo to, the best. So gagawa tayo ng short film ng gamit tong ZHIYUN Crane Plus ko. So let's do it. Ayun guys. So, yeah, that's it. What's up guys? Yun lang guys, pinakita ko lang sa inyo yung comparison ng Gorillapod ko and ZHIYUN Crane, kung gaano yung gaganda yung stabilizer niya today. So maraming salamat sa nanood sa akin today. So it's either bilhin nyo yung ZHIYUN Crane Plus for your short film, it's either for vlog too, or it's either you use in your camera as a Gorillapod. It's up to you guys. So I just bought this in the Amazon. Shout out to Amazon, thank you for that. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It's right here. Yeah, don't ever, if you're new in my channel, subscribe to my channel. Don't unsubscribe. So watch my video and thank you so much guys. So and follow my Facebook too. It's right here. You just, if you have some question on it, just PM me in my Facebook account and my Instagram. Just follow me in my Instagram. So guys, if you like meron kayong tanong, just ask me. So I'll see you there. PM me on Facebook with whatever you want to, or DM me on Instagram. So I'll see you there. See you in my next video. Peace.
I like me better when I'm with you.